Hello ladies, I'm back. Sorry I've been gone for a while, but today's video I will be showing you guys how to create a marble nail using acrylic powder. So I'm using Montage Acrylic. Don't forget to visit their website at montagenailsupply.com. I will put the link in the description. I will also have a coupon so you guys can use it at checkout, Novia10. I'm going to start by dipping my brush and removing all of the air bubbles. Make sure that when you dip your brush in the powder, the brush is wetter than usual. That way it can marble by itself. You can always go in with your brush as well and move it around. So you're just going to do the same step until you like how it looks. Okay, so now we're done doing our marble. Now I'm going to make it an ombre nail. I usually like to do 2 pearls. That works best for me. You can also do 1 pearl, but for me I like doing 2. I'm gonna go in with my Montage Ultra Clear right in the center to secure the ombre. That way the ombre won't disappear when we go in with the file. So now I'm going to go in with my Montage 100 by 100 file and then with the drill to secure the cuticle using my 5-in-1 drill bit. Make sure to buff the nail and we are done. Alright ladies, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Also leave me a comment of what you would love to see on my page. Also don't forget to follow me on TikTok for shorter videos. And follow me on Instagram at Novia's Nails. And yeah ladies, bye.